Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to set up Xiaomi X20 Plus. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you have a Xiaomi X20 Plus here, there are going to be a number of things you need to do to set it up. So first is you need to unbox and remove the protective coverings here. So first is you want to carefully unbox your Xiaomi X20 Plus, your robot vacuum cleaner. Now remove the protective covering and strips from both sides of the device. So in this case, if you see any protective around it, just remove it. Now in this case, you want to go ahead and strip or just basically remove it. Next is you want to install the side brush and mop assembly. Now you want to locate the side brush and the mop assembly including the package. So this is what they're going to look like. So this one and as well as this one. Now you want to attach them to the robot vacuum here. So push each piece into place until you hear a click, ensuring that they are properly installed. So usually it's going to be at the very bottom here. You just need to push them and make sure it's properly set. Now, another thing you want to do here is you want to position your Omni station. Now, choose a location for the Omni station. So it should be against a wall, like you see on this picture, and also on a flat and hard surface. Now, also, maybe consider using like in an area like wooden floors or tile floors is the best location for this one. And also ensure the space around the station meets the following requirements. So at least 1 meter high, and also more than 2 meters in length and approximately 1 meter in width. So in this case, verify the station is in an area with strong Wi-Fi signal and near an electrical outlet. Now, from there on, you want to power your Omni station. Now, firmly insert the power connector into the station's power port. Now, check the station's indicator lights, and in this case, look if it stays white, confirming it's receiving power. Now, you want to place your robot vacuum here. So place the assembled robot vacuum, like as you can see right now in the picture, into the Omni station. Now, the robot is now docked and ready to be set up. Now, from then on, you just need to locate the clean water tank in your Omni station and fill it with water as required for cleaning operations. Usually, your manual should have or should show you the details or the exact steps for this one, but in this case, just add water to your clean water tank. Now, from there on, you want to set up your Xiaomi Home app here. So download the Xiaomi Home app from your App Store or Google Play Store and open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your robot vacuum. Now configure the following options like automatic return to your Omni stations and cleaning zones and schedules. Now from then on, you can go and start using your Xiaomi X20 Plus. So in this case, in the app, you can customize your preference as cleaning routines and time schedules, and your robot will now clean your space according to your settings. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.